friend, excavator scoop. Excavators can dig holes with their big buckets. Look at this mess. Let's put a vehicle together. Wheel, bucket, another arm part, lamp, arm part, wheel, cabin, another arm part, bucket, lamp, arm part.
What a long, tiring day for Orangey the excavator. Whoops, I've got so much work to do. I have to keep the city clean. Oops, I'm tired. Oh. Roll. Another trash. Hooray, I did it! Now on to the next mission.
Oh well.
Yes, it did so well. Walk. Here I am, city. Whoa. So I see another trash now. Come on. Let's clean this garbage. Hooray! I did it! Spin! Beep beep! What? What is that? Ooh, another garbage to be cleaned! Oopsie! Another place to be cleaned up! Hooray! Let's start the job! Last scoop! Ta-da! Voila! It's nice and clean! Hooray! Run! is on his mission today. Whoop, 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 whoop. Here it is. I found another pile of trash, and it needs to be dug up. Yoo-hoo! A quiet, long, tiring day, but it's all worth it because I am making the city clean today. Another one. Let's clean it together.